Before we jump into the video, I know you guys are giving me the side eye. Like, sis, you haven't been here in like a whole year and you want to come back in here, act like you know us, act like we remember you. Well, sis, I had a lot of shit going on in my life and I had to deal with it. This is a hobby for me at the end of the day, so you know what I'm saying? Life happens, okay? And life happens. So I had to drop YouTube for a little while, and I did. But I'm back and I'm here to give you guys some great content, and I really hope you guys like it. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. I'm going to show you guys sneakers that I've been wearing a lot lately that brings the life out of my outfits. If you want to know shoes that I feel is important to have in your wardrobe at this moment, then please keep on watching. First sneaker that I feel like every female or every woman should have in the wardrobe are Vans. I specifically pulled out this one. Vans, I feel like you could dress up, you can dress down, you could wear it with a button-down shirt, with jeans, you could wear it with a dress, you could wear it with leggings, you could wear it with literally anything. If you're able to do that with a pair of shoes, that says a lot. Vans are really affordable. The fact that it's affordable makes it even more appealing to me. And I feel like every woman should be able to have that kind of sneaker in their life. This right here, you probably see a whole lot of people wearing Vans nowadays and you're like tired of seeing it. But there's different ones out there. There's so many different Vans that you could buy that you don't have to look the same as everybody else. Another staple that every woman should have in their wardrobe are all white shoes. It doesn't matter what all white shoe. It could be Huaraches, it could be Yeezys, it could be Air Forces, Stan Smith. But the ones that I have specifically are the Air Force Ones. Always gotta keep them fresh, you feel me? And then another one that I have are the Stan Smith. You just need all white shoes in your life. It goes with every shade, it goes with everything, and you need something that goes with everything in your wardrobe so that you don't have to wake up and think about it. You know, this is something you could just wake up and wear, butt ass naked. You don't even have to think about it because it goes with everything. That was corny, but you get what I'm saying. I also need an all black shoes, but the thing about me, I don't completely like something that's all black, like blacked out, unless it's like necessary for me to have it for like work or something. I wouldn't buy something that's like completely all black because I feel like it's too boring. You don't see the value in it, if you know what I'm saying. It's probably just me. Probably like an all black shoe, all blacked out. That's okay, okay? But my favorite one is the Puma Suede. A lot of people love the Vans, which is completely fine. I love that too. In the summer, in the springtime, you see me wearing this every day like I don't have any other shoe. You would think that I don't have any other shoe the way I wear this because that's how much I love it. It doesn't have to be Puma Suede, it doesn't have to be Vans, but if you have a kind of shoe that you like, make sure you get it black because it just goes with everything. Another sneaker that I feel is necessary for every woman to have in their wardrobe are Air Jordan 1. I don't know if you noticed, but in the past I've seen people go to prom with Air Jordan 1s, and on top of that, every time OG Air Jordan 1s release, like the bread ones, the royal ones, or the other ones, it always sells out. Why is that? Because it's a staple. It's something that you must have in your wardrobe because it goes with everything. And I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to think that I'm repetitive because I'm saying that every one of my shoes go with everything. It must. If you have it in your wardrobe, you want it to go with everything. You want to be able to wear your sneakers every time so you don't feel like you wasted your money. I bought it is because I know that I'm going to wear it a lot. The shadow ones, I feel like this, if you want to get Jordan 1s and you don't know which one to get, just get this because it's gray and black and white. Always is the best one to go with. It's something that you probably gravitate towards every time because you know that it goes with everything. Like I said, I'm being repetitive, but you want something that goes with everything. So get yourself some Air Jordan 1s. They have a lot of different colors. So if you don't want this one specifically, there's other colors to choose from, you know? It's your money anyways. You choose whatever you want. So yeah, you probably noticed the lighting going in and out and all of that. I hope you don't mind. The next shoe that I feel is necessary is these right here. Specifically these ones, these gray ones. I feel like everybody should have it. If you have to buy a used, which I did, if you have to buy a brand new, if you can afford it, I suggest you get this. I feel like it just goes with everything. Like, I will have 2 seconds to get ready. 2 seconds. I'll put an all black outfit on and I will grab this. and I know I'll be good for the whole day. I mean, this video is about every sneaker that I feel every woman should own anyways, and I feel that every woman should have this in their life. There's a lot of different colorways for Yeezys. You could grab whichever one you like. It goes with everything. Being repetitive again. Whoa. 2 sneakers that I'm about to mention to you guys don't have, but I feel like it's necessary because I see it all the time, and I feel like it would look so good in my wardrobe. Like, it would just look so good if I have it. The first one are the Comme des Garçons Converse. I love the regular Converse one, but I just feel like it made my feet look like a boat because it was too narrow. What I like about the Comme des Garçons one is that it's a little bulkier, so it makes my feet look smaller. I don't know. It just, I don't know. If you could get your hands on Converse, especially the high top ones, I feel like it's necessary for you to have it in your wardrobe. Especially if you get it in a neutral color such as black or white, you'll be set. The next one that I feel you should have in your wardrobe is the, if you can afford it, because this one is a little on the pricier side. Not a little, it's a lot on the pricier side. Yeezys 700s. I specifically love the Wave Runners, but I feel like most of the 700s look very feminine. I don't know the names of the other ones because I don't want it, but I know for a fact the Wave Runners look amazing. In my head, I just made like 5 outfits with it, just talking about it just now. That's how much I want it, and that's how much I feel like every woman should have it in the wardrobe. If I get the money, best believe I will have it. Shit, a bitch is broke right now, but just wait on it. Just wait on it. Okay, so this completes my video about sneakers that I feel every woman should have in their wardrobe. If you agree with me, then please make sure you thumbs up this video. If you have any other suggestions, please make sure you comment it down below. If you're happy to see this face, please make sure you thumbs up this video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.